how to turn on or turn off sleep mode alarm sound on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on modes and routines. After that, tap on sleep. Then tap on the sleep schedule right here. Then tap on sleep schedule. And then we scroll down in here, you can tap on alarm sound to turn it off or switch it on. If it is set to off and you find that the alarm does not raise in the morning, then you can simply switch it on. And then tap on saved. And then tap on done. Now you can also make the change by going into your clock app. And then in the clock app, tap on the alarm tab at the bottom. Then at the top here, tap on your alarm. And then go down and tap on alarm sound to turn it on or off. And then tap on save. So that is another way how you can do it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.